About 450 Anganwadi workers still outside on the sidewalk on the road, as you can see, and some have gone to get their things from Azad Maidan. I think what happened today is absolutely disgraceful. We are outside the CM's house, and they are here with legitimate demands. And the least the CM could have done is to talk to them across the table. They've been agitating for over a week, and the CM today says that he doesn't know about it. And to have lathi charged innocent, peaceful protesters in Azad Maidan is a sheer example of the brutality that the BJP is so famous for. They did it with the farmers all over India, they did it with the farmers outside of Delhi, and we saw where that agitation happened. Nobody is even willing to trust the BJP. The CM has come out and given an assurance and said that the people arrested will be released, please go home, come back tomorrow at 11 o'clock to talk to me. But such is the lack of trust with the BJP and such is their absolute fascism that people, these 450 women, would rather sit on the footpath but instead of believing the CM. So you can see what a great shame this is, and we are here to show solidarity with them, and our leader, Sabri Menezes, has also been arrested. We are waiting for her to be released, and we are actually just coming from Mapsa police station where one of our workers, Sandeep Bazarkar, our leader from Porvorim, was arrested, also because he was with the BJP all this while. There was an old case from 2019 because he has joined the TMC. Today he was picked up. So this is the vendetta politics that the BJP is very good for and very good at, and this is what we see happening.